Hello, welcome back to day 17 of OET Learnuary. My name's Sona and I'm a premium preparation provider from Bose Learning. Every day this February I'm challenging you, and myself actually, to watch in your case and create in my case a video all about the OET so that you can upgrade your skills, you can learn new vocabulary and get advice and tips on how to do well in your OET. Today we're going to be focusing on OET vocabulary and look at some useful phrases that you can use for checking progress. So let's imagine in the speaking subtest, one of the tasks you've been given is to find out if your patient, if he or she has been doing regular exercise. So this is what's given to you as one of your tasks on the OET speaking task card. Obviously you'll get the background information and you'll get information about the patient and the setting and lots of different tasks, but this is just one of them. So you could ask your patient quite simply, have you been doing the exercises regularly? It's not a great idea to always copy from the card, but in this case, it's fine. Have you been doing the exercises regularly? And the patient says yes. What do you say next? What's your follow-up to that? You can explore a little bit more. You want to know, okay, the patient's been doing the exercises, but, how's it been going? Are they easy? Are they difficult? So you want to find out a little bit more. You want to do some more exploring and ask some open questions. So you could say, and how have you been them? How have you been finding them? Are they easy? Are they hard? And the patient may say, they're a little bit hard to be honest, but they're okay. Now, what happens if you ask your patient, have you been doing the exercises regularly? And the patient says, to be honest, no, not really. So they've not been doing them. What do you say next? You could be non-judgmental, of course, and say, okay. Can I ask you why? So you're trying to find out why the patient hasn't been doing them. Are they too difficult? Are they too easy? Does the patient think they're useless? What's the reason behind it? So again, you're asking a nice open question. You're not being judgmental and you're being very polite. The patient may then say to you, they are a little bit hard to be honest. So, okay, your next idea then, if they're struggling to do them by themselves, is that he or she sees a physiotherapist. Maybe this is even one of the tasks on your task card. So what do you say next then? You want to suggest that they see a physiotherapist? You could say something like this, not to worry. How about if I refer you to the physiotherapist in that case, because you're finding it hard? They will be able to review your exercise program and work with you on the exercises to make them more suitable. How does that sound? Always check. How does that sound? Well, I hope you found that useful. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to share these with a friend or a colleague, subscribe to us, and join us again for the next video in OET Learnuary. See you then. Bye-bye.